These are mini Mangoneada shots. Watch this. Okay, so we have to rim our glasses. A little bit of lime, tajin. Okay. Ice in our glass now. Perfect. Come behind that with a bit of tequila. Some triple sec. Awesome, awesome. Fresh squeezed lime juice. Don't know how much fresh lime juice we use on here. Hot sauce. Mango nectar. Shake, 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 shake. Oh yeah. A bit of chamoy in our glass. And then come behind with our little pour. Nice. That's a really cool pour. A little Mexican mango lollipop on the side. Perfecto. Delicious.